Hey guys, it's Cash and I'm back with another video, and in today's video I will be showing you guys how to create a circle picture. It's really quick and simple. Here's an example. A lot of times you'll see people use circle images for about pages or meet the owner pages, or if you're taking a course they may put their image at the bottom for meet your course instructor or something like that, but you can use it for anything. Okay, so you're going to go to canva.com, and for this example we're going to use the Instagram post just so I can just show you quickly. And for this example I'm just going to put something like some letters on the screen so that I can just give you some kind of design idea. Okay, so now you're gonna go to frames and click on the circle image, size it up, go to your uploads. Of course, grab a picture, hover it over, it pops in, size it up, and that's really it. It's just that simple. And then if you wanted to add like something extra on the background and make it pop, you can go to circles, choose a circle that you like, and size it up, pop it to the back, and there you go. And you can change the color to any color you want. I like the red, but my colors are not red, so I'll change it to my business colors. And I'm just showing you different examples of what you can do, how you can change any of the colors and just play around with it and see what works best for you. And that's pretty much it. I'm just showing you more examples. So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also, if you want to see more content like this, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.